Chicken Kondattam is a delicious South Indian recipe. I have made this in easy 3 steps today. Step 1, add 500 to 750 gram of chicken, Kashmiri chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and all together mix well. After mixing, you can cover this with a cling film and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. In step 2, heat the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Maintain the low flame and add 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick and 3 pieces of cloves. Fennel seeds 1 teaspoon and maintain the low flame continuously. Add the marinated chicken pieces to this. Cover and cook for 20 minutes in the low to medium flame. Just remember to stir in between. Also add 1 dried Kashmiri chili. After 20 minutes, transfer the chicken pieces into a bowl. Keep this aside. In step 3, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into a pan, in the same pan or a separate pan. Also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger crushed or sliced ginger, 1 fresh chili sliced. Also add 5 pieces of garlic clove crushed. Stir everything together. Add 2 large onions sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything for 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are completely soft. Also you can add coriander leaves 3 tablespoons. If it's not available, 15 leaves of the curry leaves. After 15 minutes, add the cooked chicken pieces into this onion and mix well. Also add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. You can use normal vinegar or here I used the red wine vinegar. Also add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix well 1 to 2 minutes. Maintain the medium flame. Also add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of pepper crushed. Everything mix well. chicken kondattam is ready to serve. You can serve this with chapati, rice or naan bread. Thanks for watching Nina Kitchen.